Hello, I am Anjinivas. Now we are going to use Tableau for different types of visualizations, graphs, and using datasets. First, we are going down to Tableau and open Tableau software. So once we click the Tableau software, we get like this. So first we have to export. We have to import a Microsoft any type of file format like Microsoft Excel, text file, PDF file, any other. So first I have a Microsoft Excel data, so dataset. Now I am going to export Microsoft Excel. So here I am going to take the dataset like Olympics athletes. See, here my dataset is there. All my attributes in my Excel are found here. Here click on the bottom sheet 1. We get like this. Here what are the titles among in our Excel sheets are shown here. So first I take country and keep it in there. Here I take columns as countries and the sports. Take these table values and drag it into columns, and the sum of total medals and gold sum of gold medals are dragged into the rows column. So here pages and years as filters, pages as country. If we click on show me, we get we find different types of graphs. So if we click this pie chart, we find like this. Here we find the different types of pie diagrams like this. Here we increase the size. So different countries, different types of bar pie charts are available here. We can see here. So overall countries, how many having the sports of Olympics pie charts are given here, and here we see. So here we find this type of the diagrams. If we add sports as colors, we get like this. So if I give years in pages row, so if I animated this, it will get like this. Here we see all different types of countries, gold medals, sports. So if we do animation, click here, we get like this. Here we are getting this like this. So if we go back, Here we find some other types of graphs like this. So here we increase the size also, size of the plots. So if we close this, here we do animation. So it is getting like this. If I increase the size, so see, now it is getting like this. Here we can see another type of graphs. So see the animation of the year 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008, 2010, 2012. That's it. Here we can see another type of graph also, country graph. So here we can animate this. So different years it will get like this: 2000, 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008, 2010, and finally 2012. Here we can see another type of graph. So area as pages we can do animate in different countries. Up to from 2002 to up to 2012 we can see this animation. 2008, 2010, 2012. That's it. Here we can see another type of graphics like this. So here we given pages as years and filters is also as years. Now we go to animation. So if I click here from 2000, here like this: 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008, 2010, 2012. The animation comes like this. Thank you.